Guys, I finally got sound test in Sonic the Hedgehog 3. It took me a lot of tries, so let's try this. So all we need to do is hit up, up, down, down, up, 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 up. Yeah, it takes long. Whatever, but nah. Nah. I'm trying to take this. We'll take. Guys, I finally did it. Finally did it again. See? Also, if you want deeper, this is just 1, 3, 5, 7. And for all chaos modes, it's 2, 4, 5, 6. For some reason, the level icons appear to show levels from Sonic the Hedgehog 2. And you can't choose the levels. And you can't choose levels from Sonic and Knuckles, see? Like, you can't choose any level from Sonic and Knuckles, like Flying Battery, and Mushroom Valley, and Sandopolis. Debug is still automatically unlocked. I do this. Oh. I also like the way Sonic's just there. Here is Carnival Nighttime. Oh no, no. There ain't no way Blockers is in this one. Ain't no way. Well, that's it for today, guys.